Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Scholar Tech Studio. In this video, we will develop this model in SolidWorks. Go to New and then go to Sketch and then OK. From here, we can change the background color. Then we go to Sketch, OK, and then we will select the front plane. We will select the line, and the distance from here to here is 80 and here to here is 60. So we will draw the line, just vertical line. Then we will go to smart dimension. This one is 80 and the height is 60 millimeter. Okay, and similarly this one is 15 and this one is 20. So we will select line. We will draw a line here and then from here we will meet this one, and this dimension is 20 and this dimension is 15. Okay, 15, and its extrude here about is 60. So we will go to exit the sketch, then go to feature, then go to Extrude Boss, and then we will select the mid plane, and here we will put the value of extrude is 60, right? And now we need to create this hole. We will select this face, then go to sketch, and we will draw a central line from here to here, and this is equal to 30. So we put the 30, and then we will select this circle. We will draw the circle, and then we will give the dimension to this one as a 30. The value is not given, so we can take it 30, 20 or 10. Okay, then go to exit the sketch and then go to feature and then go to Extrude Cut. So this will cut and said okay. Right, now we need to give this cut. This is 15 and this is 25. So we will select this face, then go to sketch, and here we will draw a central line. Okay, so we will draw a central line here, and the length of this central line is 25. So we will go for 25, and then we will select this rectangle. We will select the center of this and this line, and we know that this dimension is 15, right? So we put just 15. Our sketch is fully defined, all the lines are black. Then go to feature and then go to Extrude Cut and said okay. So now again we need to cut these. So we will select this face and then go to sketch. Okay, so we will draw a central line from here to here, or just we draw a central line. Okay, so the distance of this from here to here is 35, and distance from here to this line is 35 divided by 2. So we will select a line. We will select a line from here this way, and the distance from this line to this one is equal to 35 divided by 2, right? And we will select the line, then we will select this corner and we will meet with this corner, right? So our sketch is fully defined. Now we need to cut this side. For that we can use mirror entity. So for this we will select mirror about, mean the central line, and then entities to be measured. So we'll select this one. Okay, so this is selected. Then go to feature, then go to Extrude Cut. So our model is ready. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of my upcoming video.